What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone is doing great. And today I did not work due to this rain. It rained pretty bad last night, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and go get my alarm system installed on my 2005 Chevy Silverado. At the same place I got my radio installed. They do all types of things right there. I don't know if y'all seen my previous video, but it was a shop called Leo's audio system. I don't remember the name of it, but make sure y'all check out the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. So let's get to it, man. See you on a bit. Your boys dump it, reload it, and do it with joy. When they ask me who the realest, yo, son. Pulling up in Dallas with them niggas making noise. If they fucking with me, then I'm fucking with them boys. I'm holding up a hell while she eat it with your money. When it get real, Wody deployed. He be showing up with Brody and toys. This is how we thug it when we out to making noise. Catching all each other. Alright guys, right now I'm about to get my alarm system installed. This guy right here, the one that installed my radio system last week that I came. Saludo.
Saludo.
Yeah guys, check out his YouTube channel. ¿Cómo se llama su canal de YouTube? Jorge Rangel. Y'all check him out on YouTube. So yeah guys, right now he's pretty much just getting all the cables ready.
Estamos preparando la instalación para ir a tu camioneta que quede chingón.
Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all inside right now, so y'all can see the varieties of radios they have, stereos they have, and all the things they have. Like this, they have a lot of boxes for I guess the bass. They have all the kits. This is just the outside. This, I guess, this is where they put the tin at. But right now I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the store. This is the inside of the store right here. This is the owner right here, Leo's Car Audio. This is all the varieties of things that he has. All different brands, JVC, Kenwood.
Todo, Alpine, Sony, Celo, Power Acouster. Tenemos una variedad, alarmas también, sonido para su carro o troca, de todo tenemos aquí. Nomás de que se venga y le damos un buen precio y todo de calidad. Todo con garantía también, para que así pueda tener el producto mucho tiempo y no vaya a tener problemas que vaya a dañarse o algo así. Así que si quieren algo, nomás de que se venga aquí con su compa Leo. Estamos en la 805 Sur Wagner, aquí en Plaza and Grove. Mi número es 972-878-8031. Ahorita mire, aquí está. Si quieren algo, nomás de que se vengan para acá. Ahí estamos. 805 Sur Wagner, amigos. Ya saben, lo esperamos con su compa Leo.
Alright. Yeah guys, y'all gotta come check it out. You got good prices like he said, and they have good quality work. So y'all guys come check it out. See ya. This is all the varieties they have for alarm systems. They got Viper, Prestige, Auto Shield. They have all the radios right here, the stereos. All different brands. And this is what I'm gonna install on my truck. Viper alarm system.
Módulo. Lleva un módulo.
Oh, okay.
Ese módulo es para hacer la llave un plom, para que pueda prender.
Oh, okay.
Porque si no le ponemos módulo, se bloquea la troca y no te prende solo con la alarma. Entonces ponemos y ya puede hacer que prende el carro. Ya el módulo hace las funciones para que no se bloquee.
Okay.
Hace todo aquí. Nomás siempre tiene que llevarlo con la alarma.
Okay.
Nomás siempre cuando te decimos te lo ponemos los dos. También le puedes poner un módulo.
¿O eso? Okay.
Sí, nomás
¿O eso para el carro, para el teléfono?
Sí, para el teléfono. Abre, cierra y prende y lo puedes localizar también. Smart Start.
Smart Start. Ya con teléfono.
Okay.
Está bien. Alright guys, I decided to go with a different radio. This one has Apple CarPlay, so that's gonna be way better. I could look at YouTube videos and all that, Netflix, and it's just smarter. The other one the other one just had Bluetooth and auxiliary, and that's about it. This one's gonna be way better because now I could actually, it's like having a smartphone on your truck, so it's gonna be way better. And I'm also gonna install this thing right here. It's for the steering, so the buttons on the steering wheel could work properly. Because when they installed the other ones, the steering buttons, they weren't working no more. Because I tried pressing on the volume and to skip the song, the music, and it wasn't working. So I definitely need that because I want my steering controls to work. So they're gonna go ahead and install that too. So I'm gonna get 3 things installed today. This thing right here for the wheel controls, a new radio which has Apple CarPlay, an alarm system.
Entonces la alarma original está dentro de este aparato, integrada, no se puede quitar. Y cuando tú instalas una alarma, este módulo controla la original. Cuando tú desactivas, desactiva la de agencia.
Sí.
Y se queda programada o desprogramada de acuerdo a lo que tú le hagas a tu control.
Okay.
Siempre funciona. Se pone aquí. Ahí ya me dio la notificación de que yo lo conecté. Ahí está. Clipwriter. Plataforma. Ok. Vamos a programar para que pite.
So right now what he's doing, he's programming the remote start system on his phone.
Para ¿cuánto tiempo quieres que dure prendida? Tú trae 12 minutos de default. Puedo darle más hasta 60.
Como cuando si
Tú
la prendo de afuera,
le das remote start.
Ajá.
Y ella se queda encendida. Si tú no vas al carro, él se apaga después de 20 minutos, después de 15, después de lo que tú quieras.
Unos 10 minutos.
10 minutos. 10 minutos. ¿Quieres que se laquee sola o que solo cuando tú la laquees?
No, cuando la laquee yo.
Okay. Vamos a programar. Ahí está recibiendo información. Está lista. Vamos a probarla.
¿Se lo pongo?
Sí.
Alright, they're already installing the new radio too. That's a brand new one. The one up there is the old one, which didn't have no CarPlay, Spotify, Pandora, Apple CarPlay, and all that.
Va en el de abajo.
WR, dice. Waiting control. Fíjate que no diga apps.
No, dice WR.
Ahí.
Luego ya está todo conectado.
Ok. Ahí laqueamos. Ahí deslaqueamos. Ahí va a encender.
All right, guys, they're already done with the alarm system. They're done with installing the new stereo that I changed out for the other one, because the new one I got has CarPlay, Pandora, Spotify, like I said, and I like the other one, but you know, the one I got right now, the new one I got right now is way better. And you know what, I decided to install the tint on it. So they're gonna install the tint on it. They're gonna make it pretty dark, so that's good too. So I'm gonna do 3 things today. I did the alarm, added a new stereo, and I'm gonna do the tint. They're gonna leave me broke. So right now I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Alright, first one is installed already. I didn't go with it too dark because I don't want to be having problems with the law, giving tickets. I'm not gonna be giving out my money away, so I went with the lightest one in the front. I know some people go with the darkest one in the front. All the windows, they go dark, but I did go 1% in the back. I think the one I got in the front is 35%. I think it's this one right here. And like I said, I didn't really want it that dark in the front because I ain't about to be giving my money away to the government. And this is gonna be the 1%. You can't see nothing at all. It just reflects, but you can't see nothing. And this one you can see, but it's pretty straight. It's not that light and it's not that dark either, so it's perfect right there. He's already on the second one on the passenger side, and over here in the back he's taking off the old tint. Well guys, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do nothing else. I will do some dumb shit like that and ask for them to do something else. But nah, this is it, the tint, and I'm out of here because I ain't trying to waste no more money no more. So let's get it. I'll show y'all the end result when everything's finished, you know, show y'all the stereo and how it starts with the remote start and the tint. But I think I'll show all of that when I get back to the house, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, I just got home, so right now I'm gonna show y'all how it looks from the outside, the tint. So there it goes, man. Look how black it is. It's 1% in the back and it's 35% in the front, which I think is pretty good. It is really dark right now. It does need a wash because it's really dirty. I haven't washed it in a while, but I'm gonna start it up for y'all with the remote start. Right now it's locked. All I have to do is press the bottom one right here once, and it's gonna show a little like engine, and it's gonna start it. And to turn it off, to turn off the truck, you click that again one more time. And it should cut it off. Guess I have to press it one more time. Oh, there it goes. It shut off already, and I'm gonna unlock it now. So now it's unlocked, and it shows right there a little lock that is unlocked. I do need to clean the inside too because it's a little bit dirty, but this is the stereo right here, which came out badass también. Quedó bien chingón el stereo también. Turn it on real quick. Move this cable, let it turn on real quick. Lower it down real quick. Oh, and also I forgot to mention también, I installed like a little adapter for so I could be able to control the radio with the steering wheel. Like this truck comes with the volume and the skip button and all that on the steering wheel. And the last time that when we installed the other one, we didn't install that adapter, and I wasn't able to control the radio with the little buttons right here. Well, now I'm able to. Now I could put the volume up, skip to the next song. So that's really good right there. And this stereo is pretty nice. It has Pandora, Spotify, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, the radio, of course. What else does it have? And it has Apple CarPlay, and I could play YouTube. I do need to connect my phone with this aux cable right here, so I could get on the Bluetooth with the YouTube and all that. But this is all what it has: radio, Bluetooth, Pandora, Spotify, iPod, aux, camera view, and that's about it. But yeah, I like it a lot. Oh, and I also could play DVDs for the kids. Put some DVDs on and stuff. And what else did I install? Oh, the Tint. Oh yeah, I will show y'all the Tint. So what I installed today was the Tint, the radio, a new radio, different radio, the alarm system, which I already showed y'all how it works, and it's pretty good. Well guys, I hope y'all guys like this video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.